In this video, me and my friends tackle one of the trickiest trails in Hanoi, called Kung Long, which means dinosaur backbone. It's a rocky and steep hill climb. Now I'm going to review what we did well and what we could have done better to get up this challenging hill climb. So starting with Phong, look how he revs his bike extremely hard just before a rock ledge. The reason this helps him is because the revs are actually falling as he goes over the rock step. This means the bike can hold traction in that really tricky area. Now look how Phong is looking around and trying to find the best line. This is his first time on this trail, and it's something a lot of enduro riders overlook. They just want to go wherever the bike takes them and ride as fast as they can without stopping. It's much better to lose 3 or 4 seconds here and pick the best line than lose 2 or 3 minutes later because you're stuck and you took the wrong line. So find a line that is smoother, has less rocks, and hopefully less steep too, which is exactly what Phong does here. And when Phong maneuvers his back wheel into a place to get up the climb, what he does is he ensures there's no stones. And he ensures there's a flat part of ground where he can start to gain momentum. And as he goes up the rocky hill climb, he keeps one foot on the foot peg. This is putting weight into the tires and helping the bike maintain traction, which is absolutely crucial on a climb like this, which is rockier and steeper than it even looks on camera. And when Phong doesn't make it up one of the ledges, he rolls the bike back down as far as he can without falling all the way down the hill. Roll back a little bit. There you go, good there. And this means he can gain momentum and get up that rock ledge really easily. Yeah. Nice. Now if you watch Bong, he does the same technique as Phong, which is he rocks the bike up and down the hill. This clears the stones out of the way and makes a smooth line. And it also gives him that momentum to get up that next big step. And Kevin tries the harder line, but doesn't make it up the second step. Yeah, nice. What that means is he has to use his balance and control of the bike to shift his weight over to the other side, and that enables him to have 1 foot on the ground and 1 foot on the foot peg, ready to make his attempt up the climb. Kevin. Here you can see Kevin gets stuck and wheel spins. This is because he doesn't roll back far enough. If he took his time and wasn't rushing, he'd probably realized he needs to roll further back down the hill, and then he can get that momentum to get up the second ledge. And that would have helped a lot. Kevin then uses his strength to pivot the bike in order to get to an alternative line. Where are you going, Kev? That looks impossible. He uses his hip against the bike to ensure that the bike doesn't fall down the hill. This is very similar to my video on how to zigzag a tricky hill climb, which you can watch here. He then muscles his rear wheel up the ledge so he can zigzag across. I'll be honest, I don't think I would have the strength to make that same move, but if you do, then go ahead. Now, John is the master of jumping up and down on that seat or using his legs to put more force into the rear tire and to gain traction. If you weigh over 100 kilograms and you're 6'5" or whatever he is, then you need to make use of whatever you've got. And that is something that's gonna enable him to put so much more weight into the tire and therefore gain more traction. Watch here how he bounces on the seat, loads the suspension, and gets the timing correct when he releases the clutch. So as the clutch is released, the suspension is fully compressed. This enables the ultimate amount of traction to be delivered into that rear tire and to stop it wheel spinning up the rock step. Now this line is incredibly steep, but with his old KTM 200, he still manages to tractor up it. Wow, good. And this is my attempt. I try the tricky line like Kevin, and I also get stuck before getting up the second ledge. But I managed to push the bike up. One, I pulled the bike back further down in order to get more of a run up. And two, I also have longer legs, which probably helped me here. After I get up the ledge, listen to the sound of my bike. Low revs helps me maintain traction as I tractor up to the top of the hill. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, check out my other rocky hill climb video here.